First part of our setup to get the pink button to show up on top of our computer screen so we can have our laptop plugged in and use the annotation tools is to move our cords to the appropriate location. By default, they're set up down here at the bottom. We want to move them up here to the top to this HDMI port and this USB one right underneath it. Okay, so let's do that quick. And the HDMI just above that. And if you have trouble doing this, you can always ask a tech person to come do that for you, or your instructional tech specialist as well. The next part of the setup, we want to add the HDMI in button, which is a button we'll be able to select right here to take us directly to our computer. To do that, we touch and hold in this empty space. Amongst these options, we want to click Add Bubble. Then we will select Generic App. And scrolling down, we're going to look for HDMI in, this green and gray button. After you select it, it shows up as a black and white button that says HDMI in. As long as my computer is connected and those cords are in the appropriate place that we discussed before, touching this button brings me directly to my computer screen. So everything that I have for my computer is now available here, but I also have this pink floating button with my spinner, my timer, my annotation tool. I can do screenshots and pull it into the whiteboard app. I have all of these options. So if I am working on the PowerPoint with my students, I have access to my annotation app.